Amazing pump, guys. We just made 525%. We trade VODRA. Let me show this video I sent to the private list 2 days ago. We are live right now. I shared this date in the private list yesterday. The coin is VODRA. Guys, new members, just follow my instruction. Put your buy order at 0.008 and your sell order at 0.0018. We are live there. Volume spike here. We have right now over 95. Take a look at the volume spike, how crazy it is. Like I always say, it's a fight between buyers and sellers, and my softies calculate buyer power. We only jump in trades with high buyer power, guys. That's how our trades are successful. Take a look at this video. Percent of volume spike. We are live, guys. Today is March 14. Right now, the price is gonna spike. That's how you make money. Look, there is no seller, guys. Only buyer power. That's what happened. We jump on the buyer power. It's like a surfer wave. Here we go. Oh my god, 125%. 125% we made in this coin. The another coins I shared in the private list was IOI token, Conflux, Liquity, Kava, TomoChain. Guys, we buy low and sell up high. To do this, my softies calculate 3,000 coin with more volume. Volume is confirmation. A lot of people think we make money because we buy coins cost nothing, cheap price or 0.0008. It's not about the price, guys. The money is here on the volume. $300 million, $942 million, $168 million, $37 million, $8.8 million. If I made $52,000 today, you can make the same profits I do. You just need to copy my trades. pumpdumptime@gmail.com. That's the reason I share my trades in the private list, because sharing my trades in the private list, more people buy the same coin at the same time, price goes up faster. Next trade recap. Conflux, guys, 135%. I shared this trade in the private list on March 12. We bought this coin for 14 cents and we put a sell order at 35. The daily resistance, I made 13,500 in this single trade. Next trade recap, Liquity, guys. I shared this trade in the private list on March 10. We bought this coin for $1.68. Put a sell order at $3.50. I made 9,500. Guys, keep yourself updated. If you like to get those trades in real time, it's time to make money. Cryptocurrency always is a hot market. If you like to keep yourself updated about Bitcoin, follow my Twitter account. I just put an update here about Bitcoin. The possible Bitcoins here heading right now to around $33,000. pumpdumptime@gmail.com. If you like to get those trades in real time, feel free to reach me out. My name is Daniel. I live in South Beach, Miami. I'll be glad to help you. If you don't like to trade, we can trade for you 25% a week. Thanks for your time. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.